Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Muneer Sadhana. Today we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break your legal career in Pakistan networking. You went to law school, you aced your exams, you can recite the entire constitution backwards. That's amazing. But guess what? In the legal world, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. Many lawyers focus solely on legal expertise, but they're missing out on a crucial aspect: building strong connections. Trust me, having a solid network can bring you a steady stream of clients, exciting opportunities, and a reputation that precedes you. So buckle up as we break down why networking is essential for lawyers in Pakistan, and more importantly, how you can use it to take your legal practice from zero to hero. Look, let's be real. Nobody wants to hire the lawyer who sits alone in their office, right? We want someone who's connected, who's in the know. Networking is not just about exchanging business cards at events. It's about cultivating genuine long-term relationships that can benefit your career in countless ways. First and foremost, more clients. People, especially in Pakistan, rely heavily on word-of-mouth recommendations. When someone they trust recommends a lawyer, it instantly builds credibility and trust. A strong network translates to a steady flow of referrals, which means more cases and more success for you. Second, think about your career growth. Networking with senior lawyers, judges, and legal professionals opens doors to mentorship opportunities, collaborations on high-profile cases, and even job offers at prestigious firms. It's like having a direct line to the who's who of the legal world. And let's not forget about continuous learning. The legal field is constantly evolving with new laws, amendments, and precedents emerging all the time. Networking provides a platform to exchange knowledge, share case strategies, and stay updated on the latest legal developments. Think of it as a master class where you get to learn from the best in the business. Finally, let's talk about reputation. A well-connected lawyer is often perceived as more experienced, trustworthy, and influential. When talkers, people see you actively engaging with other legal professionals, participating in industry events, and contributing to legal discussions. It enhances your credibility and positions you as a thought leader in your field. So, remember, networking is not just about expanding your contact list, it's about building a strong foundation for a successful and fulfilling legal career. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Muneer, networking sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Pakistan's legal landscape is teeming with networking opportunities, and I'm here to guide you through the best ones. First up, the good old bar associations and legal seminars. Now, I know what you're thinking: stuffy rooms, long speeches, lukewarm chai. But trust me, these events are gold mines for networking. Joining your local bar association and actively participating in their events allows you to rub shoulders with experienced advocates, judges, and legal experts. It's a chance to learn from their experiences, get insights into different practice areas, and who knows, even find a mentor who can guide you through the intricacies of the legal profession. Next, let's talk about the courtroom itself. Yes, you heard that right. While waiting for your cases to be called, use that time wisely to strike up conversations with fellow lawyers, court staff, and even senior advocates. You'll be surprised by the valuable insights and connections you can gain just by being present and engaging in casual conversations. And hey, you might even catch the eye of a journalist covering a high-profile case, leading to some unexpected media coverage for you. Now let's step into the digital age. In today's interconnected world, online networking is just as crucial as offline interactions. LinkedIn is your best friend. Connect with legal professionals, share your expertise, and engage in industry discussions. Join Facebook and WhatsApp groups dedicated to legal matters, where lawyers share case studies, job postings, and legal advice. And if you're feeling really ambitious, start a YouTube channel or a blog to share your legal insights and establish yourself as a thought leader. Trust me, building a strong online presence can significantly expand your reach and attract potential clients from all corners of Pakistan. But wait, there's more. Don't limit yourself to the legal bubble. Remember, businesses need lawyers too. Attend business forums, chamber of commerce meetings, and corporate events to connect with entrepreneurs, CEOs, and business owners. You'll be surprised how many of them are actively seeking legal counsel. So, put on your networking hat, step out of your comfort zone, and start building those connections. Alright, so you're ready to dive headfirst into the world of legal networking? But hold on a second. Before you start handing out your business cards like candy, let's talk about how to network effectively. Because believe me, there's a fine line between networking and just being plain annoying. First and foremost, remember that networking is about building genuine relationships, not just collecting contacts. Nobody likes the person who only reaches out when they need something. Focus on providing value first. Offer helpful advice, share relevant articles, or connect them with someone in your network who can assist them. When you approach networking with a giving mindset, people are more likely to remember you and reciprocate when you need their help. Second, consistency is key. Don't expect to attend one event, shake a few hands, and suddenly have a flood of clients knocking at your door. Networking is a long game. Stay in touch with your contacts regularly, even if it's just a quick message to say hello or congratulate them on a recent achievement. Remember, out of sight is out of mind. Regularly engaging with your network keeps you top of mind when they or someone they know needs legal services. Now let's talk about personal branding. In today's competitive legal market, it's crucial to stand out from the crowd, cultivate a professional online presence, share insightful legal content on social media, and consider speaking at legal events to showcase your expertise. By positioning yourself as a thought leader in your field, you'll attract more opportunities and build a reputation that precedes you. Another pro tip: join professional groups and associations. Being an active member of legal and business organizations not only enhances your credibility, but also provides you with a platform to network with like-minded professionals, attend their events, participate in discussions, and volunteer for committees to increase your visibility and expand your network. And finally, always follow up after meetings. In the hustle and bustle of events, it's easy to forget faces and conversations. Make it a habit to send a quick thank you note or connect with them on LinkedIn within 24 hours of meeting someone new. This simple gesture goes a long way in solidifying the connection and keeping the conversation going. So there you have it, folks. The power of networking unlocked. Remember, in the legal profession, it's not just about knowing the law. It's about knowing the right people. By building strong, genuine relationships, you can open doors to more clients, exciting opportunities, and a reputation that makes you the go-to lawyer in your field. Now let's quickly recap the key takeaways from today's video. First, attend bar association meetings and legal events. Yes, even the ones with lukewarm chai. You never know who Ntuki, you might meet. Second, network in courts and with business professionals. Remember, legal needs exist everywhere. Third, use social media to your advantage. Build your online presence and engage with the legal community. And finally, maintain those relationships, follow up, stay in touch, and always be ready to offer value. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow lawyers, and subscribe to Adiv Muneer